All right, Alu-Cab team, thank you for the opportunity to build a video for you real quick. I know timing has been tough to get to. We've been going 100 miles an hour, and so are you, which is awesome because that means we're doing big things. This system here, we changed, and we think we'd change it again. So come on in, Si. So we went to pins, to a pin system here, with just a quick release pin to pop these down. Now, what we'd really like is for this whole thing to go away, and then this bar be one solid bar to a bracket right here where you just have to push this in and then set the pin like that. Strut strength, yeah, we think the strut could be 20% stronger. As soon as you put a solar panel on it, or as soon as it gets a little cold, like below 0 Celsius, then the strut's just a little weak and you end up having to stand on it and really push it up. So we think the strut could be stronger.